how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to general management. Tap on a general management. Again scroll down. Tap on a reset. Scroll down. At the end you can see factory data reset. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. So make sure backup your important data before factory reset your Samsung Z Fold 6. Now tap factory data reset. Now you can see the list of erased data, Google account, system app data, downloaded apps, picture, music, service provider app. You can see your currently sign in account, also log out, application you install. Now tap on a reset button, unlock your device. Now tap on a delete all. When you tap the delete all, it will remove all your personal information and data, downloaded applications. Tap on a delete all to factory reset your Samsung Z Fold 6. That's it. If you like it, share it.